Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Again, this is Engineer Jom Digia. Welcome back to my channel. So sa video na to, mag-solve tayo ng isang ratong past board exam problem under the subject differential equations. Specifically, the topic first order DE. So pag sinabing first order, ang pinaka-highest derivative na nag-exist sa equation ay only 1. So from the differential equation dy is equals to x squared dx, what is the equation of y in terms of x as the curve passes through 1 and 1. So, meaning yung value ng x natin ay 1, yung y natin ay also 1. So, solution for this, di natin kailangan gumamit ng variable separable pa sa part na yan. Kasi, nakaseparate ng ating variables. Naka-join na sila sa ating differentials. So, isit-list na natin yung equation dy is equals to x squared dx, and then we perform agad yung integration on both sides. So, pag integrate natin yan, y is equals to x cubed over 3 plus c. So, wag natin kakalimutan yung tinatawag nating constant of integration na c. So, ang next mo gagawin, may binigay na value ng x and y. I-substitute mo lang siya dito. Okay? So, 1 is equals to 1 cubed over 3 plus c. And then, ang next mo gagawin dyan is i-multiply mo yung 3 dito sa kabila. So, parang gagawin mo, bumultiply ka ng 3 on both sides ng ating equation. So, magiging 3 is equals to 1 plus 3c. Okay? And then, next mong gagawin is 3 minus 1. Matitira sa kabila, 3c. So, 2 is equals to 3c. So, therefore, yung c natin ay 2/3. So, yung 2/3 na to, ibalik natin dito sa ating equation na nakuha kanina. So, y is equals to x cubed over 3 plus 2/3. Okay, so napansin nyo na wala yung constant of integration, napalitan na ng 2/3. And then, ang next mo gagawin, gusto natin ma-eliminate yung mga denominator. So, mag-multiply ka lang ulit both sides ng 3. So, 3y is equals to x cubed plus 6. No. Plus 2. Kasi magka-cancel out nga pala yung 3. Okay? And then, syempre, gawin natin equals to 0 yung equation. So, therefore, the answer is x cubed minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. This is your final answer for this problem. So, madali lang guys, di ba? Dapat naalala nyo lang kung paano gamitin yung mga techniques sa basic differential equation. Okay? So, nawa may tutunan kayo sa video na to. This is Engineer Jom Digia. Maraming salamat sa panonood. God bless.